Hey guys, if you're new to Amazon FBA and you want to sell more than one of an item, like in a pre-pack, package of 2 or 3, and you need to package that item up and you're not sure what to do, well, that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I help online sellers make more money in business by giving them tips and strategies that they need to succeed in business. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can receive more videos like this, and also hit the notification button. If this video was helpful, I would also appreciate a comment just to know that it was, so I can create more videos like this in the future. All right, let's get rolling to the video and the training. All right, so I am going to package up these hair gels to send off to FBA, and I'm going to package them in 2 different ways, and you can see exactly what I'm doing. It's not difficult. It literally just takes minutes to do, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want are obviously your items, and when you're sending them in packages, like packs of 2, pack quantity of 3, then you need to put them together. So you're going to need something to package it with. So I use poly bags or just bubble wrap, but make sure also when you are using those poly bags that you want to make sure you've got that warning, the suffocation warning printed on the outside of the bags. I get mine on Amazon. I'll leave a link to all the supplies that I use in this video so you can just have easy access. Okay, so first way is that I'm simply going to just take this, put them right into the bag. So I'm going to put them in the bag. I'm going to seal the bag and fold it over like this. Now you can't have them moving around in the bag. That's where my handy tape gun comes in. And I'm going to go ahead and seal up the side like this. Now I've been doing this for a while, you know, make sure it looks neat and make sure it is secure, okay? You might want to put another piece of tape, but I don't want to take up too much time in this video. And then these are some labels that say this is a set, do not separate, and you can put that right on. Now when you have packages, you can put them right over the barcodes, and then you put your FBA label. Okay, and that's it. That's one way that I send my goods. And then the second way is I take the items, put them in the bubble wrap that you need, and just wrap like you would any other, you know, a gift or whatever. And I got tape there. I'm not the best wrapper either. There really is no perfect way to do this. But there's no need to get stressed out or to worry about all of this, okay? Okay, so as long as it's secure, you might want to put a couple of different pieces of tape. And so that is that product. And you grab your Amazon label, place it over the barcode, and your set pack. So this is basically how easy it is just to package your items. And then you're going to go ahead and go onto the computer and fill out your, your shipping labels and put it on a box, and you are good to go. That's how easy it is. So don't stress in the beginning. Remember, I was super stressed about trying to get everything perfect for Amazon, but at the end of the day, just get those products out there. All right, so there you have it. I'll leave a link to all the supplies that you can purchase right on Amazon. They're pretty much the cheapest around. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next video.